Students, my dear students, in this video we would discuss the second part of Merchant of Venice Act 2 Scene 2. After first part, we saw that Gobbo and Lancelot got Bassanio and they expressed their wish that Lancelot would serve under Bassanio. Bassanio asked Lancelot, compared to your previous owner, that is Shylock, I am poor. Therefore, why do you want to serve under me? Therefore, Lancelot tells, as in the film, in one Hindi film, Amitabh Bachchan told, मेरा पास बंगलो है, गाड़ी है, बैंक बैलेंस है, तुम्हारा पास क्या है? Shashi Kapoor answered, मेरा पास माँ है. Similarly, here also, Lancelot tells that Shylock has enough, but Bassanio, you have the grace of the god. Therefore, Bassanio is happy. Bassanio instructs his servant to give Lancelot the livery. Livery means uniform, dress. Therefore, Gobbo gives that dish of dove which he had brought for Shylock. He gives it now to Bassanio. Then Lancelot opines that in the table of his hand, that is in his palm, he understands that he is lucky enough. He has 15 wives, 11 widows and 9 maids, and by and through them he would be prosperous enough. Moreover, he would be saved from drowning 3 times. Therefore, we see a little piece of conversation between Bassanio and Gratiano, the talkative Gratiano. Bassanio tells, oh Gratiano, if in Belmont you show your brazen nature, therefore there may be some trouble because they do not know you. And therefore Gratiano tells, okay, he rather assures Bassanio, okay, in Belmont I would open the Bible from my pocket and off and on I would utter Amen, Amen. In this way I would hang very sober face. In this way I would present myself. Therefore he would be happy. But before going to Belmont, there would be one party. In that party, I want to show myself in my own nature. And Bassanio agrees to it. So, in this scene, in the total scene, there is much visual possibility. A Gratiano showing himself, that is in somber way, and just opening the Bible from his pocket, and the conversation between Gobbo, old Gobbo and Lancelot, all are potentially good for visual feast. However, this is Act 2, Scene 2, second part. Obviously, I hope you have seen the first part as well. And I request you to like, share the video if you like it, obviously. And we will discuss the other scenes also of ICSE syllabus and later of ISC syllabus. And now your task is write in the comment box the most 2 salient feature of Lancelot. Lanceloter character duto boishishto tomra lekho. What are the 2 most salient features of Lancelot as we got him in this scene? Write it. I will discuss your answer, your names in my next video.